Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to reset Linksys Wi-Fi 6 RE7350 AMZ wireless range extender. So before we reset, kindly note that this will erase your extender settings and then you will have to set it up again from scratch. Moreover, you should reset your extender once it stops working or is not working as it's supposed to. So to factory reset Linksys RE7350 extender, first plug in into a power source. Next, wait for 2 minutes until its power LED gets stable, and then after 2 minutes, locate the reset hole on your Linksys extender present on the side. Then press and hold the reset button for around 5 to 10 seconds until you see the power LED on the front which starts blinking. Next, release the button and let the extender reboot. The extender will reboot, which usually takes around 2 minutes, and after this, you can start its setup again from scratch. Watch our E7350 extender setup video given in the description to learn how to do it. You can also set this extender up in access point mode, which provides way faster speeds than the Wi-Fi extender mode. So that video is also given in the description. Lastly, if you found this video useful, then please do hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.